Today I show you how to share the Wi-Fi password from your iPhone with an Android phone with a QR code. You can use a QR code to share the Wi-Fi password with any other device, an Android phone or a tablet or iPhone, iPad, any other device that can scan QR codes. There is a better way to share the Wi-Fi password with the QR code from your iPhone. So the iPhone will show a QR code and an Android phone or another device will read the QR code and connect to the Wi-Fi. To show the QR code on iPhone, you go to the Passwords app, and here I have to use Face ID. Okay, so I have to use the Face ID on the Passwords app, and you have the Wi-Fi section. Under Wi-Fi here, this is the network I'm connected to, but you could actually share any network that is not within range, that you are the only requirement is that you connected to it at least once, and the password is the same, it didn't change in the meantime. For example, if I want to share this network here, the first one, I'm connected to it, and you see the option show QR code. You could use this share function to send a message or an email to someone, or you can save it as a note. It will save the name of the network and the password, but the QR code is the easiest option. Another device that needs to connect to this Wi-Fi network, all it has to do is scan the QR code. All the information needed to connect to this network is inside this QR code. As soon as you scan it, it will work. If you have the device that needs to connect to the Wi-Fi and you see the QR code, you open the control center and you have this QR code reader, and this will look for QR codes to scan. When you scan a QR code, it will automatically connect to the network. It's that simple, it's that easy. I hope this helps you. Let me know if you have any questions about QR codes and sharing the Wi-Fi password. Thanks for watching.